Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're in your cardigan era and you want to feel like you live in a cozy cabin in the middle of the woods, then you have got to check out this cardigan.
This cardigan will go perfect with your vintage tee, brand new phone, and high heels on cobblestones. It is by Rixiland and it is so incredibly comfortable and adorable. I have it here in a size medium, which I normally would get a medium or a small. I got medium because I wanted it to fit a little bigger. I wanted it to kind of be a cozy, baggy feel, which it definitely is. I've even washed this already and it washed up real nice. So I find it to be durable. I find the fabric to be super soft. It's got all of those details that a Swiftie might be looking for. And it's just super, super cute and cozy. Perfect for the cool weather. I get compliments whenever I wear this. And it is just the ultimate thing for a fan of the cardigan. It is so adorable. And I think that you are going to fall in love with this as well. Definitely check it out.
This cardigan is exactly what I was looking for. It is the perfect cardigan for a Swiftie, the perfect thing for a chilly day. It is so cozy. It is so nice and soft and comfy. And it has all those special little details that I was hoping for. If you are a Swiftie and you are looking for an adorable, comfy cardigan, you have to check this one out. But that's just my point of view.